tulay ng tatuiga na klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko.
We start our final game of today dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season number 3. Live tayo sa City Arena in Santa Mesa. Baron Mercado covering the action. And nakita natin ang debut ng San Jose X Campon and Makati Best X Serious Players Only. Ngayon naman, yung kanilang kasama sa bracket, North Division B, MCBA Ultimate X Agrio Part 2. Dahil kanina yung kanilang under 12 nagharap and it was MCBA enjoying that big of a lead as high as 18 points. Pero nakahabol itong Ultimate X Agrio. Sila Salenga able to cut that lead and give us our first candidate ng game of the season. Our first comeback, if you may, dito sa ating contest. So, Ultimate X Agrio wearing their white and blue jerseys. Meanwhile, on the other side, MCBA wearing their black jerseys as well. And it's nice to see itong MCBA after their success on Season 2, especially yung kanilang under 15 being the North Division champions. They have fielded in a lot of players from the under 11, 12, and now 13. Kaya nakakatuwa na makita itong team na ito in this under 13. Again, Ultimate X Agrio, part of that Pampanga program. Meanwhile, MCBA from Malamon looking to secure their victory here today. Like to just check in the schedule. MCBA under 11, I believe they failed to secure that victory. Then yung under 12 nila, hindi rin naman pinalad manalo so far. And now, we are down to their under 13 Division Ultimate X Agrio. Looking to make it 2-0 sa kanila. Kent Yumol, one of the players, the mainstays of this Ultimate X Agrio, naka-puntos na naman. That's their first field goal of the contest. Looking for that step, that basket goes in. Getting that opportunity to go plus the foul. Three-pointer didn't go in. 3-2 is the score after MCBA successfully made that basket earlier. Ngayon sila naman ang dedepensa. A 3-ball. Good release. Shadow lang malakas. Goes for another drive. Kent Yumol. I should say that is a different player though. Kala ko si Kent or Piano, I believe, will be at the line. So Orpiano will be at the line though. Will look for his points. Pasok. Calix Hale na nunood sa atin dito, cheering for MCBA. Kanina ko pa nakikita to for all MCBA games. Itong si Calix, a special shoutout sa'yo. Irene Palmario, nagpapa-shoutout. Itong si Ray Palmario, yung ating game announcer, and of course, Bloodline family. Mula kanina hanggang ngayon, nanunood pa rin daw. From Family Mosqueta, ito yung mga family members ni Madam Irene. Yan, nakita ko rin, nanunood, Yuan Adane. A player here na naglaro at nagpapakita din ng gilas. Looking forward to seeing you again, Yuan. Pero itong Ultimate X Agrio looking to control. Orpiano, they send it out. Hindi papasok yung tres. Looking to make it behind his back. That finish is good. Getting that one is Sagal, scoring a couple of baskets here and there as they are looking to control this game. 7-2 is the score lamang ang mga taga Pampanga.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga.
Seven to 2 after that Sagal basket for Ultimate. 5-point lead. Can't scoot his way in. Mapupunta ang bola dito sa MCBA, forcing the issue right there. Hindi makakuha ng puntos. Itong si Obag, isa sa mga nabanggit sa akin ng kanilang coaches na talagang aabangan natin dito. Let's see if he can add more points on the board. Pass was too strong and taken away quickly. On the run, Sagal for 2. As he gets basket after basket. 9-2, 7-point lead. Looking to pressure this time. Once again, 9-2. Rebound secured. Orpiano, open lane. Missing on that basket. Put back is good. Policarpio able to enter his way in the scoring column. Makakakuha ng steal. Basket is now recovered. Orpiano though taken away. On the run. 3-on-1 break. Able to drive it in for 2. 11-4 is the score with 3 minutes 30 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. tatawagan ng traveling. (11-4) ang ating score. Looking to make their space in. Hindi papasok yung atake on the run. Orpiano finds a friend. Easy two. Nagmintis nga lang. Getting that steal back. Gives it to Orpiano. Basket is in. (13-4). Looking to make their own statement itong Ultimate X Agrio dito, MCBA. Looking to replicate yung nangyari kanina. This time, sila naman ang susubok maghabol. Infante with a cross and the drive for the finish. That was an aggressive drive by Infante. 15-4. Looking to make this run and though taken away. Looking to break free. Ball is recovered. Now on the run. Easy 2 points. Maravilla scores his first 2 points. A minute 50 remaining. Orpiano. Again, one of the players na aabangan nila dito. MCBA looking to make more statements in this game. Francisco starts the trigger, the inbound. Natapikan sa likod, Maravilla able to secure that possession. Loss on that handle. Francisco finding a friend, a quick floater. Hindi papasok. Gets it out. Sends it. Nice block by Maravilla. Playing solid defense. Francisco fakes that three. Sends it in the wing. Couldn't knock it down. And referees blew their whistle. (15-6) is the score. Penalty situation with a minute 6 remaining. (15-6). Jolas Infante scored earlier. Sabi ni Jonali Infante, shout out daw, watching from Taiwan. Sakto, naka-score si Jolas kanina. So, yung puntos na yon from Philippines with love, galing kay Jolas Infante. Now, looking to make some moves. Traveling nga lang. Roden Infante, nagpapa-shoutout sa buong Infante family. Janel Claveria, shoutout daw. Pinapa-shoutout ang Coach J, ex-Batang Kalye, champion of champions in the under 14 division. So nanonood lahat halos dito sa ating matchup. The final game of the day gets that friendly floater to drop. 15-8 ang ating score. They look to answer back with a basket of their own. Hindi papasok. Scoring that rebound. Final 7 seconds remaining. Can they force a stop? Or pupuntos ba ang MCBA? Maravilla turns around and shoots it right before the buzzer sounds. What a turnaround jumper by Maravilla that pushes their deficit here to only 5. 15-10. Magbabalik po kami.
liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilip.
From the tip off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic make every meal a magic moment. Meron na namang nakatanggap ng ating Chef's Magic Condiments dito sa ating final game of the day. 8-game schedule na tapos din tayo dito sa ating coverage for today. Fun always covering Junior MPBL Pocket League. And this is the league that really opened a lot of doors for me personally, and now this is my way of giving back by giving quality commentary here in our Pocket League so far. Pero to start off our second quarter, 15-10 ang ating score. Five-point lead for Ultimate Agrio, ex-Agrio I should say. Naka-abante sila the first 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Pero itong MCBA nakabawi naman. Let's see how will MCBA make some response. At nakakuha pa ng foul. On the other side, tatawagan I believe will be Menor. Kung tama tayo doon, as will be at the line. Natalio, naka-score kanina, will miss the first one. Will make the jumper on that free throw. So 11-15 na lang ang ating score dito. 4 na puntos ang hinahabol ng MCBA. Jumper from the left side. Last touch para dito kay Luke Menor. (15-11) is our tally. Looking to add more points. Natalio was stripped on that play. Nakakuha ng counter steal as Natalio able to secure that one. Looking to make his move. Malonzo, one-hander. That is off. Will look to get it back. Here's Malonzo. Looking to set it outside. Stepping out of bounds na. Itong si Chris Noy Aquino. 11-15. Let's see what will happen here in the second quarter. Di makakuha ng putback right there si Dave Francisco. 15-11, 4 na lang after a solid start by Ultimate X Agrio. Tignan natin ngayon if MCBA can crack open this game once again. Ball landed on the foot of a Menor. It is still on the hands, and now a steal for Ultimate X. Agrio completes that lane. Nakalipad, John Morsi on the left side. A beautiful finish. 17-11. 6 minutes 50 remaining. Looking to make their move. Here is Alonzo, or Malonzo I should say. Merong push. Sabi ng ating referees, tatawagan ng foul. Itong si Luke Menor. Malonzo looking to get a breather, and that's a nice read. A steal once again. Morsi and one. That was a sneaky steal by John Morsi, and now able to get that ball in plus the foul. Looking to complete his trip. Can't make the bonus itong si John Morsi. Now looking to make a run once again. On the finish, better rejection para dito kay Orpiano. Morsi will have a breather. Balik itong si Zach Policarpio. Played solid, I should say, on the couple of minutes here. Looking to make another stop with 5:55 remaining. There's Jolas Infante, yung kanyang mother and some of his family members watching in sa ating live stream, forcing a turnover dito kay Isaiah Cabidog. Infante once again. Here's Jolas, sends it on the left, too strong. Isa pa, it's the front iron. Orpiano fakes, nice rejection. Good solid defense. Here's Jolas, spins. Infante with a move. And that basket. Spin to evade the defense. Gets that friendly roll for that deuce. Gets that floater to go. That is Kurt Nadalo making that basket. Here's Kent Yumul entering the game for the first time. One of the players na maaasahan dito sa Ultimate X Agrio. Here's Orpiano. Hindi papasok yung kanyang unang attempt. (21-13) with 4 minutes 24 remaining as that quick trigger nagmintis para kay Maki Obag. Isa sa mga kailangan daw nating bantayan dito for MCBA, and that is a turnover. They made that stop. Now an opportunity for them to get things going. Nababaan nila to kanina as low as 4 points. Now looking to attack once again. Nodalo with a jumper that's too strong. Yumul trapped. Nice recovery. Orpiano. Infante. Nice basket. Nice passing by Ultimate X Agrio. That's 3 players touching the ball. Hindi papasok yung basket attempt na yon. Will be fouled here. Marky Obag. Knocks down the second one. Itong si Marky Obag. Nanonood sa atin si Babylin David Banawat cheering for Nash David naman for Ultimate X Agrio, and that is Kenty Yumol scoring his first 2 points. Coach Arnel Lebornio nanonood sa atin dito. Pinapa-shoutout ang AV Silo X LBDL Gallants. Isa sa mga teams here na naglaro on the season number 2. As I will try and look sa South. Alam ko meron silang team dito na sasalihan sila Coach Arnel. Didn't go in on that basket. 25-16. Here's Kent Yumol. Hindi papasok yung kanyang floater. Another attempt will not succeed with 2 minutes 20 remaining dito sa ating second quarter action. A 9-point advantage. Marky sends it on the middle. Floater didn't go in. Para dito kay Nodalo. Nakuha ni Obag. Drops it off. Nodalo. Di papasok. As Balagtas will be called for that foul. A minute 50 remaining. Still 9 points pa rin ang abante ng Ultimate X Agrio. Naibaba nila ito kanina. So ever since that 15-11 score, it is a 10-4 run para dito sa kampo ng Ultimate X Agrio. Meron tayong timeout. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga.
Nag-reply si Coach Arnel Lebornio. Yeah, sa North Under 13 sila. Talking about his squad. So titignan natin on the north side of things. Nasa North C ang LBDL Gallants. Looking forward to cover your games, Coach Arnel. Again, yung under 12 nila, they took itong Davao Microsmith, and they were able to make them trail for the first time since they joined the Pocket League. Yun nga lang, that championship composure kakaiba for Coach Mark Herrera and that squad. Ngayon, angat na ang LBDL Gallants on the under 13, kaya nanonood itong si Coach Arnel sa other side of the bracket. Again, we are in North B. Yung ating huling dalawang laro. San Jose X Campon, Makati Best X Serious Player Only. Tapos itong MCBA and Ultimate X Agrio, nasa Group B naman ng North. Meanwhile, yung game kanina between FBA and Vixen, nasa North A naman. So wala pang naglalaro for North C, pero doing their scouting agad itong si Coach Arnel Lebornio. Looking to read the defense. Nice block by Yumol. Now on the run, Orpiano with the find. Masyadong malakas yung layup finish right there, just couldn't get it in. Itong si Lomer Sagkal had a couple of baskets in that opening contest, opening quarter. 42 seconds remaining. Score hasn't moved yet. Grabe yung labanan natin dito. (25-16). Looking to attack. Nice find. Finish is good. That was a good find as a Darren Halandoni scoring on that basket. That was a good find by Malonzo on that last play. A better basket for Jolas Infante. One-hander, hindi papasok para ay Malonzo. Infante once again on the push. Nice pass. Orpiano couldn't recover though. Stepping back, looking to beat the buzzer. And it's in. John Morsey getting that basket to go off the buzzer. Kisses it off the glass. Wow. 29-18. Everyone just woke up inside City Arena. We'll be right back. We are at
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan.
From the tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Napaka-solid naman ng ating nakatanggap ng Chef's Magic. Ang very very cute na chikiting na meron siyang ma-enjoy sa kanyang pag-uwi. Yung cookies dyan, masarap. Kapag nakakakuha tayo ng Chef's Magic dito, yung cookie dyan na gustong-gusto ng aking mama. Got to give a special shoutout to my mom, Nanet Aldea Mercado. As Obag starts things off with a 3-point attempt na huli nga lang ni Morsey, who was able to get that block. And the last player to score here para sa Ultimate X Agrio, that buzzer beater. Off the glass it went. put back, di pupuntos. Isa pang opportunity for Infante. Tatawagan siya ng offensive foul. Policarpio was right there. $31-19, I should say, is the score. 11-point lead. Balagtas in the corner. Looking for a friend. Infante will get it. Can finish this one off. What a move by Jolas Infante. Always has that strong body. And that time using his shiftiness to score on that quick 1-2. Didiskarte, Balagtas waits for that flyby. Masyadong malakas. Looking to make another run of their own. Looking to score. And that is a miss. Para dito kay Lomer Sagcal. Spin, hindi papasok. Para kay Liam Roldan. Pressure defense, balik dito kay Marky. Obag separates the defense. Looking to find a friend. Better stop by Policarpio. Infante with a pass, traveling nga lang. Again, would like to give a special shout out po sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin dito sa live stream for Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season number 3. A fruitful season we are having. Again, this is the start of the fireworks, start of the festivities para dito sa kampo natin for Junior MPBL Pocket League. At nalalapit na rin ang simula ng Season 4 ng Junior MPBL. Marami na naman tayong mga players na aabangan, mga kwento ng bawat teams, coaches, players, and of course, yung mga pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa na involved in this Junior MPBL. Pero ito, Jolas Infante, the ever reliable for this Ultimate X Agrio squad. He knocks down the bonus. Let's see if he can make 2 out of 2. In and out. Yung kanyang free throw, merong bonus pa. So inalog yung kanyang tira. Kala ko magkakaroon ng substitute free throw. A lane violation para dito sa Ultimate X Agrio. That pass was anticipated. A counter steal on the other side. Looking to attack. Nice pass. Nakalusot yung pasa ni Obag. Finding Roldan. 2 players na sinasabi nilang pwedeng asahan dito for MCBA. Making that a point si Lomer Sagcal. Looking for that quick sidestep. Hindi pumasok. Sayang yun para kay Carl Malinaw. 36-21 is the total. 6 minutes 30 remaining. (36-21). Balik ang bola dito sa Ultimate X Agrio as they will look to hold on to this big of a lead na meron sila. Looking to prevent yung paghabol ng MCBA or Piano, di papasok. Sagcal, hindi rin makakapuntos. Now on the run, all alone, Marky Obag for 2. Able to score itong si Marky Obag. Trapped here, almost a steal. See if they can make and take advantage. Policarpio for 3. That is way off. Gets that spin. Orpiano thought about shooting that one. Sidestepping. Sagkal makakakuha. Nice find. Policarpio and 1. Nice pass by Sagkal finding Zach Policarpio. Able to score. Couldn't complete itong si Policarpio. Ball is still on the side of MCBA. 38-23 ang ating score. Nice dribbling exhibition. Masyadong malakas lang. Pass was too strong. Senson wanting to pass it to his guard. Masyadong malakas. 15-point lead. Nakabuelo. Sagkal has been producing well for Ultimate X Agrio so far. Nice fake by Roldan. Sends it for this corner jumper. Didn't go in for Natalio. Outlet pass. Makakarating kaya? Francisco. Extra pass. Basket won't go. Sayang yun. Could have increased the lead here. Pero ito, an answer. A quick one for a Paulo Senson. 15-point lead. Nice spin. Morsi will be at the line once again. Made that buzzer beater. John Mustafa Morsi. Misses on the first one, but hit that buzzer beater off the glass tray. Rattles in the second. .404 remaining. 41-25 ang ating score. 16-point advantage for Ultimate X Agrio. Again, naibabato sa 4 kanina. 15-11. Yun nga lang, hindi pa ulit makabawi. Itong MCBA, second chance, it's in. Nice pass. Andric Gicale enters the scoring column for the first time. Almost losing that ball was Morsi. Will give it to Francisco. Finds an open lane, fakes. Making for that wild shot. Here's Kent Yumol. Turns around and scores. Ever reliable Kent Yumol. Looking to add more points on the board. Alonzo rejected by Yumol pero merong body contact. As Kent is not happy of that last call. Missing on the opportunity, Yumol almost saving it on their side. Nice pass, Yumol with a block. Good defense by Kent. Here's Yumol breaking some ankles all the way. Ooh. Sayang, pang highlight na sana. Getting that block, that mini ankle breaker. But that three-pointer by John Morsi adds more points on the board. Lead is now at 19 big points. .2 minutes 40 remaining. 19-point advantage. Susubukan makabawi. Passes it inside. Ooh, couldn't get that friendly bounce. Sayang yun for Senson. As he will be fouled with 2 minutes 21 remaining. Missing on the second one. Didiskarte ulit and getting that basket. As Malonzo scores 46-30 with 2 minutes remaining. Yumol stepping through and rocks the baby to sleep. Ayun na yung pang-highlight ni Kent Yumol. Again, one of the more reliable players. Looking at Kent Yumol, another stop for him. Was able to deflect that shot. 2 minutes 19 remaining. Almost a stolen pass. Gives it inside, spins, shoots, and scores. What a turnaround para dito kay Dave Francisco. Your guard making some post moves. And a steal on the other side. Nice fake. Di nga lang papasok. Sikat looking to give it to Francisco. Same shot. Different result nga lang. Malonzo trapped here. Looking to hurry up. Yumo looking to play some defense. And that drains it. Andrick Gicale scores on that jumper. Masyado ng masikip. Too much pressure para dito kay Bukad. 48-32 ang ating score. Meron tayong free throws courtesy of Andrick Gicale. Hit that smooth jumper earlier from the right side. Couldn't convert. Sean Sevilla is watching. Para sa atin dito, Lenny Estolonio, Doc, MCBA for the win. Though they are down by 15 points. Pero itong si Sevilla watching. One of the players ng under 12 ng Arrows. Kung tama ako ng pagkakaalala, Sean Sevilla. As Dave Francisco who made that turnaround jumper. Now will be at the line though. Couldn't hit the first one. Missing on the free throw, sabi ni Ande Atapas, cheering for John Morsi. Having a solid game itong si John. 48-33, 15-point lead. Final 24 seconds na lamang ang nalalabi dito sa ating third quarter. Almost a steal. Looking for that floater and it drops in. Getting that basket, Chris Noyakino. Yumol looking to create. Here is Kent all the way. Masyadong bitin yung kanyang layup. And that is how we will end our third quarter action. 48-35 in favor of Ultimate X Agrio. Fourth quarter action coming up.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Fourth quarter action. Can this be the final 10 minutes for this Ultimate X Agrio win, or makahabol pa kaya ang MCBA? We will find out. A Baker's Dozens lead. And gonna go for this attack. First 2 points, di papasok. Nice stop by Marky Obag. Will turn the ball away. Di papasok yung tira ni Nash David, who's seeing the court here. Here's Marky, and they look to cut into the lead. Three-pointer. Sayang. Could have been big para kay Gicale. Another shot didn't go in. Jolas Infante once again. This time he goes for that spin. Sends it on Policarpio. Mare-rescue naman. As both teams looking for their first 2 points. Here is Zach Policarpio waiting for this three-pointer from the corner. Napunta ang bola kay Infante. Easy as 2 points. (50-35). 15-point lead. Unang puntos napunta sa Ultimate X Agrio. One-hand floater. Hindi papasok. Looking to make a push. Make a run of that spin attempt. Mahuhulog. Nash David with a spin. Traveling. On the run, Malonzo sends it on the left. Nakakuha man ng basket. First 2 points, I believe, I should say more points for Kurt Nodalo. Naka-score na yan kanina. First 2 points in the fourth. Nash David stepping back. Bitin. Here's Infante once again on that attack. Finds the window for that deuce. 54-38. Getting those stops ay itong Ultimate X Agrio. Looking for that pass. Nice feed. Masyadong malakas. Looking to make some space. Hindi papasok. But will be at the line once again is Malonzo. Malonzo at the line will knock down the first. 7 minutes remaining dito sa ating final game of today. Again, let's see if MCBA can pull off one more run at baliktarin yung nangyari sa kanila kanina on that under 12 matchup. 54 to 40, I believe, is our official score. Looking to make a stop here. Itong MCBA. Almost a tap. Infante. They will lose the possession. And now on the run, a 2-on-1 break. Roldan with a finish. 54 to 41. Nash David sends it on the right. Mintis. Malonzo secures that rebound. And no choice but to give out that foul. Di kaya. Or if hindi, it will be straight to the cup once again. .6:30 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter action. And that basket goes in. Nakakailan na. That time it is Darren Halandoni scoring on that possession. Chance of defense para dito sa MCBA on this move. Won't fall. Malonzo sends it out. Open lay-in. Markey for two. Obag and company are now on a 6-0 run. Jumper is in. A much needed basket. Markey sends it on the right. Flips one in. Kurt Nodalo adding some sauce on that basket. Natawagan ng foul on that drive. Lomer Sagal will be on this move. Will be at the free throw area. .56-47. Sagal makes the first one. Knocks down on the second. Dexter Manahan nanunood. Nanunood si Dexter Manahan, part of that championship squad of the North para sa Arrows. Silang dalawa ni Sean Sevilla. Looking forward to cover your game si Dexter Manahan. 58-49 ang ating score. As we are into the last 5 minutes of this contest. A big three. All air. Gets that rebound. Di papasok. MCBA. Susubukan makahabol. Roldan. Will give it to Obag. Looks for that drive. Traveling call. .58-49. Waits for that defense to commit. John Morsi will be at the line. Missing on the second. Susubok humabol with 4 minutes 10 remaining. Malonzo, pass was too low. Looking to put them in this one. Sagal, di papasok din yung kanyang layup attempt. Will not lose the possession. Malonzo on that drive. Floater, that's a pass. Di papasok. Put back is in. Darren Halandoni. Right place at the right time. A miss. Susubok ulit this time. Roldan will be fouled. 51-58 our score here. A jumper. Sayang. Could have brought the house down. Markey secures that rebound, and it is on the ball of Ultimate. Down by 6. 58-52 our official score. 6-point lead. Can MCBA do it? Can they make their counter run? Roldan gives it inside. Malonzo with a fake. Yumol with another rejection. A strong candidate for our Growy defensive player of the game. Here's Kent on the spin. Gets that rebound. Follow-up is in. Always ready when his number is called. Talking about Kent Yumol. 60-52. Looking to swing the rock here. Merong foul na itinawag. Two minutes 20 remaining. Let's see if meron pang one last run. Ang MCBA, a much needed 3. Di pumasok. Yumol securing another big rebound. Infante looking to beat the double team. Here's Kent once again. Yumol, jumper too short. Policarpio couldn't finish. Infante caught an arm as he went up. Sayang yon. Looking for that stop. They couldn't get it. As Jolas Infante will be at the line. Missing on the first. Couldn't put this one on a 3-point deficit. Makes the second. MCBA will call for time. They will plan their next offensive move when we return.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior.
One last run for MCBA, but they commit a traveling call. Dinemonstrate pa ng ating official ano yung naging move. Then if you're going to make that hop step, make sure na both feet should land on the ground. But on that last play, itong si Obag only landing with one foot. Kaya natawagan siya ng traveling. Yumol with a steal, but he turns the ball away. Balik ang bola dito sa Ultimate X Agrio. Final minute 40 100 seconds eksakto. Let's see if Jolas Infante and crew can finish them off here. 3 on the way. That is too strong. Infante rolls it in. Nice rebound by Policarpio. 63-52. Roldan makes that basket count. 63-54. Policarpio will turn the ball away. Pero na-recover ni Infante off that spin. Nahuli ni Malonzo but with a minute 7 remaining. Let's see if Ultimate X Agrio can put the finishing touches. Pero ta-time out muna ang Ultimate X Agrio. Tignan natin ano mangyayari. Final 6-7 seconds remaining in the fourth.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior.
(63-54) and a 3-second call on Kent Yumol. A minute remaining. 3-possession ball game. This is still doable if MCBA, but they need to hurry, need to make those shots. That is one way to do it. Kurt Nodalo securing that floater. Will not get that steal. Yumol will go, bulldozes his way. Masyadong malakas. Yumol will be called for that foul. Four fouls on Kent Yumol. Penalty situation. 7-point lead. A big miss for Liam Roldan. Could have cut it to 5. Again, ang pinakamalapit na naabot ng MCBA dito ay 4. Ooh, misses both, but will recover. Roldan with 38 seconds remaining. They go for the drive. Markey with a miss. Gets her own rebound, falling down. Again, on that drive, one-hander, hindi pa rin. A lot of sorry misses from the inside. Yumol protecting that ball. Pero ang bola, babalik pa rin dito sa MCBA. They had 3 clean looks. Ta-time out sila dito. Let's see what will be the play. Will they go for a 2 or a 3? Let's see what will happen in the coming moments.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo.
Final 22.3 remaining. Let's see what will happen here. Down by 8. 63-55. Needing a big basket. Pass was read. Good defense by Policarpio. $63-55 pa rin. Masyadong malalim on that last one. Last touch, punta sa ultimate. And this is a good sign if you are from Pampanga or you're supporting Ultimate X Agrio. Looking to make it 2-zip against MCBA. They got their chances. No choice but to give up the foul. Let's see in the remaining 15 seconds what will happen.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang
63-55 ang ating score. Eight-point advantage. Again, having a lot of opportunities itong MCBA. Scoring from the inside. Di lang makapasok Kent Yumol. Bago pa makabuelo, meron ng foul. And that is what they need to do. Darren Halandoni will be called for a foul. That's the game for him. Kent Yumol has been that spark defensively para dito sa Ultimate X Agrio or Agrio. Can't close the game yet. Mintis yung kanyang una. Kent Yumol once again. Missing on the second. Makukuha ni Roldan. Final 8 seconds at merong foul. Shouldn't give up a foul on this stage of the game. Penalty situation para sa magkaparehong team. Liam Roldan misses on the first. Yumol misses both. Roldan looking to score at least one. Can't get it. Isa pa para kay Roldan. And I believe that is the game. So in this game day today, nadalawahan ng Ultimate X Agrio itong MCBA this time. It is a wire-to-wire victory. Starting the game on the high note and never relinquishing the lead. 63-55 ang ating score. Final game of the day. Mamaya, kausapin natin ang ating best player of the game and ang ating Growy defensive player of the game.